Sant'Antoni del Porquet sempre s'escau anti-set. Hi, I'm Mercury Time and I'm back with recommendations on what to do out here in the cava and wine region Penedès this weekend. If you're here as a tourist, this is possibly not the best of weekends, so let me remind you that we are located only 45 minutes away from the town center of Barcelona, and that even a Penedès addict like me, I'm in fact contemplating to be a bit unfaithful and go in there and explore what the big town has to offer this weekend, or at least one of the days, because as a wise man said, sell the cherries you have, and what I sell is Penedès, so what you'll get here is Penedès. And we certainly do have enough things going on for a one-day program. Above all, if you're interested in sports, then you can find a big half marathon competition in Sitges here in Garraf. That is on Sunday, and if you can't make the full distance, there is a 10-kilometer version as well. There are also running competitions up in Vilanova in Anoia and down in Calafell in Baix Penedès on the same day. On the Sunday, you can also find Sardana dancing up in Vilafranca del Penedès. That is now for those of you who are more interested in Catalan culture. The Sardana is the national dance of Catalonia. And in the same town, there will be a meeting for people who collect these little metal bottle caps you find on top of cava bottles. At these meetings, they compare collections and they change placas, as they are called in Catalan. If you're interested in music, finally, I suggest we travel down to Vilanova Geltrú, and that gives us a good reason to look ahead to the coming week and to the coming weeks. The two concerts which we have here this weekend are both related to our Festa Major, or town festival of the winter. That is celebrated in honor of Saint Anthony, the patron saint of domesticated animals. Saint Anthony is usually pictured with a little pig by his side, since he is believed to have cured a pig who then followed him for the rest of his life out of gratitude. This patron saint is celebrated with horse parades in Vilanova Geltrú, but also in the rest of Penedès and in many other towns of Catalonia. These parades can be followed on Twitter or on Instagram by checking out the hashtag Tres Toms. Ours is on the 17th, the Thursday of the week to come. That's a local holiday, and horses and carriages complete 3 loops, Tres Toms, around the church Sant'Antoni Abad, where they are blessed with holy water by a priest. More information on what's going on out here in Penedès can be found at discoverpenedès.com. We certainly encourage you to come here and visit us. If you want to do, please remember that yes, we are located at the Mediterranean, but it's winter and it's getting colder. Or as they say, Sant'Antoni del Porquet és el primer sant del fred. Welcome to Penedès. Sant'Antoni del Porquet és el primer sant del fred.